Hi, welcome to this video where we will talk about revive your water-damaged iPhone. Recover precious data. Our first scene highlights the dangers of water damage to your iPhone. Moisture can infiltrate the device, causing hardware and software problems that may lead to severe data loss. This image of a water-damaged iPhone perfectly illustrates this unfortunate event. Traditional recovery methods are sometimes not helpful with water-damaged iPhones. The intertwining complexities of hardware and software issues caused by water damage make data retrieval a challenging objective. The rice method is a popular technique for rescuing water-damaged devices. It entails powering down your iPhone, drying it, placing it in a container filled with rice for at least 24 hours, and then attempting to power it on. Our chosen image illustrates this process for you. Another effective technique is the silica gel method, almost like the former, but here, a container filled with silica gel packets is used in lieu of rice. In our final scene, we introduce the powerful iPhone data recovery software. It's designed to make data recovery from your water-damaged iPhone a feasible and efficient task. The software offers a user-friendly interface, supports various iPhone models, and lets you preview your lost data before recovery, paving the way toward a less stressful recovery path.